everyone, welcome back. So this is first time I'm present on the YouTube channel and I'm showing my face. So in this current tutorial I'll talk about Elise programming. So Elise programming is a platform where you can create games. If you want to create games, this is the best software that I have seen because it's a block-based programming and it does not require much of programming knowledge. So you have to just use the world that is there. For example, you want to create a car game or you want to create a snake game, you can easily do that. You just have to, there are thousands of block-based architecture present, like you have car, you have roads, you have forest, so you have everything there. You just have to create the ground and you have to create the grass, everything, and drag the object and you can start working on that. So for example, you can also add the movement, you can also add the sound. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. So it's a software where you can create games very easily. Okay, so you can download Elise. So it's the first tutorial from my side. You can download Elise from elise.org, and then the latest software that is there is Elise 3.0. Okay, so you can create videos like storytelling. You can take an object and it is thinking or saying something. If you add that, it will actually show that text at the top of the page. Okay, and this platform is based on Java. Okay, it's built on Java. Okay, so it is entirely, if you have Java knowledge, it's a plus, and you can continue from that. And it requires very less programming because everything is written there. If block, do together. For example, you want to do certain statements together, there is a do together block. You can whatever statements you put into a do together. I will show you how to do that. So let's start with that. And it's very easy to code. So I will show you, like I have built one game and I will show you how to do that. Okay, so watch this tutorial from beginning to end, and I hope you will like. If you're really interested in making games, this video can really be helpful for you. And watch the next tutorial, next session for how I have made this game. Thank you.